video. It's your girl Miriam C, and today's video is sponsored by LuvMe Hair. So in the box, they send you this lovely message, and also inside the box, of course, you have your unit. They also send you a wig cap and more goodies that will help you apply the wig flawlessly. They also send you along this brochure that shows you how to take care and wash the unit. So in this goodie bag, they give you a edges brush that you can use to lay down your baby hair flawlessly. They give you an elastic band if you need it. They also give you this, I think it's a headband if you want to tie a bow, a ribbon around your lace front. Get creative. They give you a hair clip that says "Love Me." They give you some bobby pins, and lastly, they give you a tweezer. So everything you need to apply the unit flawlessly. So I just wanted to add that I love the packaging, and inside of the packaging is also covered with the hairnet, so the hair is very protective. Now, as you guys can see, this unit is very voluminous and is very full. I love the texture of this hair. It's very easy to run your fingers through and no shedding at all. This unit is 100% virgin hair. It is 20 inches, 180% density. The color is a 1B at the roots, and then it ombres into a 4x18 at the ends. So guys, this is a T-part wig, and as you can tell, it makes the shape of a T from the lace. The lace is ear to ear and is also 2 inches. This is a Swiss lace that is in a medium brown color. This wig also comes with 3 combs, as you can see, and it also comes with an adjustable band that you can use to fit to your head size. Now, I can't remember if the wig was already supposed to be pre-plucked, but as you can see, the knots are still very visible. So I'm going to go in myself and probably pluck the part to make it more natural and realistic. There are plenty of videos on YouTube showing you, how to pluck and how to bleach the knots. So, you guys can just use those as reference. So as I will show you guys, the plucking made a huge difference, but because I wanted to be a little bit extra, you don't have to, I went in and decided to bleach the T-line and the perimeter. So I kind of over bleached the knots a little bit, but in the application, you'll see my quick fix. So everything forward will be pretty self-explanatory, so just watch and stay tuned, you guys, for the finished product. Okay guys, so this is the finished product. What you're gonna see here is me just putting my last touches on this beautiful unit. And I'm also gonna show you guys a couple ways that I might style this hair. It's your girl Mariam C. Thank you guys so much again for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so you'll be notified every time I drop a new upload. Bye.